Hi friends, so today's video is how I clean my boys' room daily. This is how I maintain their room to be clean every single day. These are little tips from me. So right here, I dust the beds, I make the beds, I dust the blankets, and then I make the beds. Daisy's always in the room with me. She's always looking out the window when I make the beds. Okay, so I'm making Charlie's bed now, and I like to dust the bed just in case, you know, there's like a little, I don't know, you never know what's on the bed, a little dust or, you know, from their feet. So I always dust it, and these sheets are clean. I just wash the sheets. I wash their sheets every week. Okay, so right here, I'm going to just dust a little, pick up stuff if they have anything on their night table. Sometimes they leave stuff. The room is pretty clean. Today, there's nothing, you know, on the nightstands, but you know, sometimes there is. So I just pick up if they have cards, Pokemon cards all around. I just try to keep everything, you know, neat. I think if you just leave everything, it's going to just, you know, pile up. So over here, I'm going to just clean their TV. I seen it was a little dirty. I don't do that every day, but I seen it had, you know, fingerprints, and so that's why I'm just fixing their games. So obviously, if they have friends over and the room is really, really messy, they have to clean up, and then I go the next day and make everything the way I want it, like perfect. All right, so now I am vacuuming. That's the last thing I do is vacuum. So today's video is how I maintain the boys' room every day. Little tips that I do, how to keep the room tidy and neat for the day. It's not a deep cleaning, you know, like a spring deep cleaning. It's just to maintain the room daily, and when I go in there and what I do, how to keep it, you know, neat for the day. So even if your kids make their own bed, you can still go in there daily and tidy up. You know, you don't have to make the beds. You can have the kids make them. You know, that's fine too. And especially if they make big messes, they have to clean it up. But this is just like daily, you know, if they have things out or something's on the floor, and, you know, just tidy the things up, like books, you know, and stuff, and things that are in the room that are not supposed to be there. So that's what I do, you know, every single day. I do that in my room, and I do that in my daughter's room. So today is my boys' room. I will show you my room, and I will show you another video, my daughter's room, what we do, what I do daily in those rooms. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up so I can know that you like cleaning videos. I want to inspire you guys to get motivated and tidy your house. It feels good. All right, and I know it's challenging. It's challenging for me too some days. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and don't forget, all my Easter videos are coming up. I have a lot of videos to show you guys for Easter, and Daisy's always in the room with me. She's so cute. She's sleeping. All right, so I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!